Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a twist out using TALIAH, WAAJID-APPLE, and ALOE products. I'm starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair, and my hair has been sectioned off already, and I am applying the leave-in conditioner. Next, I am going to section that into a smaller section and use the Creme Curl Definer. All products that I am using will be listed in the description box below. Also, I want to mention to have a spray bottle nearby, so if your hair starts to get dry, you can just re-wet it with your spray bottle, and then you can continue adding your products. And once I am sure that all of my strands are covered with this cream, I will detangle my hair, and then I will do my 2-strand twist. Once I am finished twisting all of my hair, I will be back. Okay, it is now the next day and my hair is completely dry. I just added these little barrettes to my hair to stretch my twists overnight while drying. Okay, and right now I am adding my peppermint oil to my scalp, and then I will just do a little scalp massage with my fingers and then add the oil onto my twist. Okay, I'm just going to take down my twist and I'm going to do a little separating. Next, I will be using my pick to lift my roots and to fluff my hair. And afterwards, I would just be using my fingers to move my curls around just to get the desired look I'm looking for. And this time around, I decided to put a big 2-strand twist in the front and add a few little gold decorations to the style, just because I feel like my styles are all beginning to look the same. So I just wanted to make sure this one was cute and looked a little different from my other twist outs. So anyway, I did like the end results. I like the apple and aloe products on my hair. My curls lasted 3 days before I had to retwist. And yes, I think I would use this line again because I do like the way my hair turned out. So if my video was helpful, if you liked it, could you please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will be notified for all of my future videos. And thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day.